my name is Shauna Siki, S-H-A-U-N-A, last name S-I-C-H-I, and I'm GM Communications West Coast. And we're here with the all-new 2019 GMC Sierra Denali. This truck is completely redesigned from the ground up. A lot of great technologies, really bold new design on it. If you walk around the front here, we've got some of our signature lighting here on the within this truck, we've got some new technologies. We've got the rear camera mirror, so essentially the camera flips to help with some obstructions, whether it's passengers or cargo or whatever that is. We have a pro-grade trailering technology app, so that helps with a lot of our customers like to tow things with their trucks, obviously.
Oh, absolutely.
So it's a great loaded technology, and you've got some cool features within the space here. Some neat storage opportunities, some stuff that our customers probably hoped that we had thought of, and then some things that they probably didn't think that we thought of. We've got a multi-pro tailgate. So this is a six-way tailgate configuration. We know that our customers, they like to work hard, but they also like to play hard, and I think that this tailgate is a good example of where that sort of meets in the middle. So starts. So it starts with this. This is the inner gate workspace. Inner gate load stop. So if you've got some stuff back here that you can be sure that it's going to not fall out while you're moving it around. It's our primary tailgate. Second load stop. So if you've got wood or whatever it is here. And this is the easy access, so this removes about 6 inches of space. You can actually get in here, not hurt yourself too much. And then this right here is the full width step, so you can get easily in and out of the bed of the truck. We've got a handle here, so you can safely get in and out. And a great option that we've got as an accessory package on this is there's available kicker speakers. So they are essentially Bluetooth speakers that you can use for tailgating, barbecuing, whatever it is. And this truck is available now, and it's priced at $54,700.